Hello, my name is Apratim Chatterjee, Assistant Professor, Khwaja Moinuddin Chishti, Language University. Today's topic is barriers to listening. First, we understand selective listening. One should never have preconceptions about any topic or any other person. That means any coming to a final conclusion in the early stages of the list communication. Second, talking speed. While talking, in early videos I have said that one should speak clearly. Now the talking speed of a normal human being is 125 words per minute, and the thinking speed of a normal human being is 500 words per minute. So there is a vast gap between that. One should always have an open mind during a discussion and while listening. Then, lack of interest. If one is not interested in listening or is showing no interest in the discussion while there is some discussion is going on, he or she is not listening, then we will consider it a lack of listening interest in listening. Next, our preconceptions. Preconceptions often don't give in any other person to chance to speak. That is, we are not giving any person the opportunity, but speaking only by ourselves. We are only person who are trying to speak or are saying in the communication part or in the discussion. We are not giving any opportunity. So that way, that is a one-way communication going on. There are not two or any more ways that the person are trying to communicate or any listening can be done. So that we will consider as a barrier. So there is no listening in that involved. Only the one person is saying, that is a barrier to listening. The words we hear. The words we hear. So one should always be attentive while listening and understand the words one is listening. If one is not able to understand the word, one must ask about the meaning of the word. But if one is understanding the meaning, then it is not a problem. So the words we hear should be proper in a discussion. It should be clear in a discussion. Okay. Physical distractions. Now physical distraction is a very big distraction or a barrier in listening. Now it may be the noise around while one is saying something. Often many people have been talking on phone and are stuck in traffic, and the person behind is honking. So the listening is not proper. That is the noise. Because of the noise, the listening or the message is not being conveyed clearly and properly. It is a big distraction. The noise causes the distraction. Proper sorry, any other ways of noise also can cause the physical distraction. One is speaking very fast, that can also be a distraction, or one is trying to talk to another person as well as with the same person, that can also be a physical distraction. One is talking across the wall, that can also be considered as a physical distraction, because there is a gap, that is a wall standing in between the two persons that are trying to communicate with each other. So that we will consider as a physical distraction. With this, I conclude the video and I will meet in another lecture. Thank you.